Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change whole document margin in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and simply select File option and select your Page Setup option and select here whole document. First I'll change left margin 2.5 and right margin 2.5 and top and bottom remains same too. Now select OK and see this left and right margin all distance whole document. Now I'll change top and bottom. Also you can change select whole document. You can change whole document top and bottom also. I'll put here 2.5 also top and bottom and simply select OK and see this. All of this is margin now changes. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.